Hey guys, want to give someone a card in a creative manner? Since tech is at its peak, let's collaborate that into a greeting card and text all our wishes inside. I've taken the printout of the birthday wishes like a WhatsApp chat. Paste the fan folds to harden the paper like a card. Hope my paper technology might please your beloveds. You may also check out my another greeting card in a form of a laptop. For more such paper tech ideas, do subscribe and share this video. Till then, keep crafting.